Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Queen & Company just released a brand new kit and this is absolutely adorable. This is their Sweet Shop kit and just look at how fun this kit is. I love the bright colors, I love the theme. So let me go ahead and show you everything that's included. There are a ton of dies included in this kit. There's a little ice cream truck or bakery truck. There's cupcakes and ice cream cones. There's a few different ice cream or sundae dishes. There's a popsicle, a little straw, donut, an ice cream cone. So many different things to create adorable, sweet goodies. There is a full 6x6 paper pad included. There are 24 sheets, 12 different styles, and you'll get 4 sheets of each paper design. This is a very typical style for Queen & Company. Lots of tone-on-tone designs, polka dots, stripes. There's some candy sprinkles in here, some plaids. And then there's only one paper that's very specific for the theme, and that's this final one. And you can get an idea of what all of those shakers will look like with that pattern paper. Next up is the 4x6 stamp set. And this one is full of sentiments. I counted 20 different individual stamps. Some of them you can combine together. I always love Queen & Company's sentiment stamp sets. They have great fonts and the sentiments are so much fun. They go perfectly with the whole theme of the kit. And since this is a shaker kit, this includes the matching foam and acetate pieces. So you're going to have a total of 21 foam shaker and acetate pieces. You'll have 3 of each design. So I just popped out this first one. This is the little ice cream truck. And these are double-sided with adhesive. You just peel off that paper backing. And Queen & Company makes it so easy to make shaker cards since their foam and acetate are all pre-cut and match with all of the dies. The kit includes 12 little bags of shaker toppings in 2 different styles. This first one looks like little confetti pieces. Lots of beautiful colors that coordinate perfectly with the paper collection. And then the second style looks like candy sprinkles. I like that there's even the brown to look like chocolate sprinkles for your cupcake or your ice cream sundae. So this is everything that's included in Queen & Company's Sweet Shop kit. Now they do have some add-ons that are available. First up is their Sweet Shop Solids 6x6 paper pad. There are 24 sheets of double-sided paper. They're all just a solid color. This is not cardstock. It's the same material as their pattern paper, but the colors go perfectly with their pattern paper. So you can see how all those match. I think it's a great addition to the kit since it complements the paper so nicely. And you can also purchase the outline dies. I get all of the outline dies for every kit because I find them so useful. The outline dies you can use to cut that background piece behind the shaker, or you can also cut your own acetate pieces. And then if you really want to extend your kit, you can purchase the paper pad, the foam and acetate pieces, and the refills all individually. I like to keep refills on hand just in case I need to make another card. And then another new addition to Queen & Company's bling, there are 4 different style of epoxy dots. The first pack I'm showing you is the plain style and it comes with 2 different colors on each sheet. They already had this, but now they sell them as a bundle. The second one has polka dots all over it, super cute, so that's one of their new styles. This one is a candy swirl and they come in 8 different colors all as a bundle. And then the final one has stripes. So it's the color along with white stripes. Super cute, and I think they'll coordinate perfectly with the Sweet Shop kit. Now here's just another look at everything that's included in Queen & Company's Sweet Shop kit. I love this kit and I'm so excited to get started. Since there is a full 6x6 paper pad included, I will be using my 6x6 tutorial to make all of that pattern paper disappear. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video. I have provided links in the description box for the kit and all of the add-ons that I just showed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.